Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Yusuf from English Department of University of Muhammadiyah Tasik. Today I will talking about my vacation time in Bromo. Okay, let we start. I came to Bromo with my friend. The first one I'll show you is about the amazing sunrise. This is basically beautiful sunrise. To be honestly, I had never seen the beautiful sunrise like this before. This really beautiful sunrise, and it is heavenly view. Let's see the view around this. Do you see that mountain, friends? That is Mount Semeru or Mountain Semeru, also known as Mahameru or Great Mountain, is Java's highest peak. Just see it is very beautiful view. I had never seen the view like this before. After we saw the sunrise, we go to Bromo Mountain. Do you see that smoke, friends? That is volcano smoke. I will walk to go there. If tired, we can riding the horse across the sea of sand. This is very nice place. It look like in Chinese movie. It have a lot of house. From here is 300 steps to the rim of the crater, and this the top of mountain. Let's see the view from crater. Bromo is active volcano, so this from the crater, and that you see the volcano smoke, and this is the view. I just enjoy the trip and see the heavenly view. Just check out the scenery from the crater. This is amazing place. Bromo Mountain is a heaven of the world, one of the most beautiful place. So I think if you have a lot of time or you have opportunity, I think you must visit Bromo, because this place is a very popular place in Indonesia. Okay, I think enough for today. Thank you for watching. Oh, I have one more video about my vacation time. If you interest, I will put the link in description. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.